Hi there, welcome back to Leinster, Africa. I went for a bit of shopping at Cape Union Mart. This is not a sponsored video. I am just doing this because I am very excited about what I bought, and it is this, the 14-in-1 multi-tool, or Leatherman or Swiss Army knife, or whatever you want to call it. I'm actually using one of my old, I used to have this and carry around when I was a kid, you know, before we actually moved to this gorgeous house that we have now. This was what I used to, you know, play around, do all my bushcraft in the yard. Also just open it with caution, try not to damage anything inside first of all, and just in case you need to return something, the better the condition of packaging, it's always better for when you do return it. Alright, without cutting myself, let us slowly cut into the... I am being very careful, always cutting away from your body. Please never cut towards yourself. I learned that the hard way when I was small. Got a few nice scars to show for that. Yeah, so I will check back in with you guys once I get this thing opened. It's got a very nice smooth feel to it. I have not used this yet. I have literally just taken it out of the box now. They recently, well, it looks like it has been oiled from the factory, so there's some oil there. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. I just basically bought this with my own money for use out in the bush, because obviously I have some pretty exciting content lined up, and I am going to start needing stuff like this, and also just to use at home. So that's what it looks like folded up. Focus. There we go. Pretty sure that's focus sharp. Alright, so it says this is the wire cutters, this little edge here, the V edge, regular pliers, and sharp nose pliers, or needle nose pliers as it's called here. So yeah, pretty cool. Being very careful, gonna try and open all of the tools that it has. What they call the file. Here's the little, what do you call it, filey edge, and a medium flat screwdriver. I think that would be pretty helpful out in the bush. So let's open that up fully, try and get the second thing. This is the medium flat screwdriver. Okay, next one, that is, what is this? I have no idea. So this is a can opener, this little third one that I just opened up here. And yeah, let's open up the knife. So I'm going to put all this away because I don't want too much happening, because that's when mistakes happen. And this is the knife. You can see a nice silvery sharp edge. Let's see, we can try and cut the plastic. Yeah, that cuts through the plastic pretty quickly, pretty easy, almost like cutting through butter. Right. Okay, let's do the other side. If you hear patting, my dogs are sitting right here, so... Hi baby. Alright. Oh, that hurt. I mistakenly clipped myself in, well, I clipped my finger while closing it. So this is the serrated saw, the saw blade. Focus, come on, there we go. That's the saw blade. Alright, what's next? Open the saw blade up so that I don't hurt myself. This is, not exactly sure. This is the letter opener, letter or box opener, but can also be used as a can opener. Alright, open that up fully. This is the, I think they call it a Phillips screwdriver or a star screwdriver. This head here. Not sure if it's able to focus. Yeah, that's the one. And lastly, let's close all of this. And lastly, the serrated knife blade. Or they just call it the serrated blade. Yeah, so that's what the blade looks like. Pretty sharp, pretty intimidating to look at. And yeah, that's been the sort of unboxing of the 14-in-1 multi-tool, stainless steel multi-tool from Cape Union. Alright, so I did manage to get it out pretty easily. Not much fight went into that. Oh, love that sound. Oh, what a fresh smell. There is some, I don't know exactly what you call this, but silicone. Yes, silicone to absorb all the moisture. And with that, that was the Cape Union 14-in-1 multi-tool. There we go. Close it up. And my dad just got home if you're hearing a car in the background. So yeah, Cape Union multi-tool